let's say this one, right? And now I could put it into, I could put it like that. So that is one way. Okay, this is a reply to a comment about having custom framing for fonts. I found two ways. One way you need to have PowerPoint, and then the other way is not really having a custom frame, but it kind of is. So I will show you the two ways. I was going to download a font. So I'm going to do cartoon. I will download, I think I was looking at Super Plants, and I'm going to download it. Once that's downloaded, I will install it onto my computer. I will extract the new font. I can either right click on it and extract, or I have extract all. So I will extract all. I right clicked and I said extract all. I will keep it in my downloads and then that's fine. Okay, so now double click and select go into the folder. And right here, I'm going to right click, show more options. Font viewer. That's what it is. I'm on a Windows machine, open up with Windows Font Viewer. And then from here, I can say install. Okay, so now it's being installed. I am now going to go to my PowerPoint. Okay, so I installed it. Now I got to go to my PowerPoint. Go to PowerPoint, open it up. Open up a blank presentation. Now I have my, okay, so I'm going to delete and delete. Okay, I will insert a text box. I hope that this helps. Click on that, change this to super, there it is. All right, so this is a little small. I'm going to make it big. I'm going to make it like, I don't know, 200. That's too big. All right, so I will make it 100. That's a little bit better. Maybe it's, okay, so even better. Okay, so I hope this helps. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a picture. So I have to insert a picture. Picture, stock images. Let's see what's there. Okay, so I have my picture. I need to send it to the back so I could see my images, my image. I want to make it so like that. Okay, now my image is selected. I have to select my text box. From there, go to shape format. In the shape format, I want to merge my shapes and I want to do an intersect. There we go. There we go. So if I select intersect, I intersect the shapes. Now go to print it. Go to file and then print. You want to print it as a PDF. I only want the first slide. I don't know why it does that. Multiple sides. So anyways, I'm going to print and it says Microsoft PDF. I'm going to print it. Now, as it prints, it's going to go to my download folder. I'm going to call it font frame. Font frame. All right. Now, I have it as a PDF. I will go to my Canva and I'm going to upload it. So I will go uploads and then upload folder, upload file, go to my download, which is the font frame PDF, and I will open it. When it opens, it will be ready for me and then I can utilize it. Don't forget, it's going to be in your projects folder. So I'm going to go to the projects folder and it's right there. See, I hope it helps. I click on that and it'll be right here. Now, if you look, it still has all of the fireworks, which is fine. But you right click on it and then you can say detach image. When you detach the image, right, there it is. So I'm going to delete the image. And this is what our font is. I hope this helps. So now what I could do is go to one of my files. Let's say this one, right? And now I could put it into, I could put it like that. So that is one way. Okay, so I'm going to do another way. The other way is with Google. It was with Google Docs. Let me close this out. Now I have it in Google Docs. Now in Google Docs, so this is one way. This is another way in Google Docs. I will do an insert a drawing, and in the drawing, I'll do a new drawing. But okay, the problem with this new drawing is you can't install any other font. You only have the font that you have available. So here it says Word Art. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to say, I like to find new things. Oops, things. Okay, and I enter, and it looks like this. I don't like the way it looks, so I need to change it, and it will be, I think I like this one the most. And I can make it big. Can I make it big? I don't know if I can make it big. No, I can't make it big. Oh, I can make it taller. Anyways, if you don't like the way it is, you have to double click. You have to double click on it and then change the text. Okay. I like to find new things. Okay, so we are here. Now we're trying to get this to be transparent. If you go to the fill color, you click on it, you can make it transparent. Now the problem is now everything is transparent, which is fine. Let's say I like the size of the border. You could change the size of the border if you want it to be thicker. So I like it a little bit thicker. I used 4px. 8 is too much, so I'm going to go back to 4. So this is what I have. Now, what the next step is, if I click on actions, I should download it. And you want to download it as a PNG. See how it says download? I'm going to go to the folder. Open Sesame. I'm going to right click. I will open up in Paint. Okay, so when I open up in Paint, where are you? Okay, open up in Paint. Now, I have it in Paint. Notice it's all transparent. What you could do is go to the bucket and do a fill. I would do a white fill. So I'm going to change this to white. I'm going to left click. So it all looks filled up, right? I'm going to fill inside here. It's a little tedious, but it gets to what you're looking for, I think. Oops. This D, the E, the T, the H, and the G. Okay, so this is what I have. I think it's all filled. Okay, I'm going to make it a little smaller. And I'm going to do that. Select everything, and I'll move it all up just because I don't like it to be so big, right? I'm just using the arrow key, and now I'm going to take these little boxes on the side, and I'm going to squish it so it's a little bit more form-fitting. Now, you're going to save it. Okay, I saved it as it's still a PNG, it's still transparent. So now it is right here. It's still in my download folder. I'm going to go to my Canva, and now I'm going to upload it. Where did it go? Here is my Canva, and that's where it is. Did that work? Good. So notice how it's transparent? Okay, I did the white background, so then you can find a picture to go underneath it. So if I find a picture, let's say this one, right? And I'm going to make it like this. I'm going to move it to the back. Position, move it to the back. See how it comes out? So now what you could do is you could hide it. Change my background to white, right? Like this. And then what I would do is I would add in my shapes. So I add in a white shape, make it white. So that's one way to do it, right? There's that. and then I copy it and paste, and I made it like that. So you could do that. Yeah, so that's what I have. So those are the two ways. Those are the two ways. It's kind of there. But one, if you have PowerPoint, it'd be great. But if you don't have PowerPoint, there's another way to do it. I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to look into it and see what I can find. This was really interesting. Like I might actually use this in one of my other stuff. Yeah, so I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.